guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a new mystery bag. This is their new fall released mystery bag. Do you want to know what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so if you did see my other video that I did not too long ago, I had actually purchased this large and in charge mystery bag from Shelly Cove. It was like my early birthday present to myself. And then shortly after, like a few days after I posted the video, I got a text message and it said our new fall mystery bags are out. So I wanted to grab one so I can show you guys the fall in case you were wanting to get one, but now they're in fall and you were not quite sure what could be in the fall. Now you're going to be able to see what is going to be in the fall bag. And I'm so excited. And I'm even more excited because you know what this means? I get to track another turtle. And what's even more amazing is when you do track your turtle, when you set up an account, it's a free account and through their website. And every time you place an order, you get a new turtle to track and they all are in your account. So I can go to my account at any given time and I can see all of my turtles that I've already tracked. So now I get to add another one to my list and that is so exciting for me. And if you guys didn't know, this company pulled at my heartstrings with the organization that they donate to with the sea turtles and how they help and give back. And I love that because then we're all helping each other. And I just have a special place when it comes to the ocean and sea turtles and that kind of thing. So I am in love with this company in general. Just in general. Their mission: we strive to serve with excellence, create with quality, and inspire communities to do good. True to our mission, we donate a portion of our profits each month to the Karen Beasley Sea Turtle Hospital. We have several other charitable causes that we're passionate about, and on their website you can see all of the different ones that they do donate to, and again, I just love that. So for the fall mystery bag, there are 3 different options again. So there's a small, medium, and large. I went with the large one again, but for this one, for the tiers, you can do the mini. The mini is the smallest one. It's $59 with a $95 value. That one you will have 2 tees, 1 tote, and 2 accessories. You can do the classic. That one is $84. It has a $135 value. You will receive 3 tees, 1 tote, and 3 accessories. Then you have the ultimate. This one is $134 with a $228 value. So this is the best one for your best bang for your buck, basically. In this one, you will get 3 tees, but since this is the fall, it could be short or long sleeve. So it could be either one. You will have 1 hoodie or sweatshirt. There's like 3 different variations of the long sleeve sweatshirt or sweater style that you could receive. Then you will have the 1 tote and 4 accessories. So again, that is what I got. You can already see the bag, which I'm loving because the bag that I received the last time was a teal, like a mint green, and now I have one in a like a deep navy blue with all of those turtles on it. But this is what it looks like with the design. So I'm so glad that it was a different design. And on the back it says Greenway, packaging with a purpose. Okay, so down inside is going to be all of my products. And when it first came, oh, I have my paperwork for my turtle. I did see this teal right here. So I did get this spoiler, so I will show you the same spoiler. Okay, so down inside of here it says joined the club. They have the prettiest packaging with their envelopes as well. It looks like the sea turtles underwater. So cute. And then you also do get some free stickers. So in here will be the free stickers as well. So the first sticker, it says protect our planet. Yes, definitely. With that blue macaw. This one says be kind to yourself. Yes, be kind to yourself and be kind to others. Just be kind. There's too much things going on in this world to be anything other. Plus it takes more energy. I don't have that energy. And then here's this one right here that just says Shelly Cove with the turtle on it. Super pretty. I always keep my stickers. I collect stickers in general. Then there is a Shelly Cove care oh, look, there's a code. there is the care instructions right there. And then here is going to be my unique tracker. I'm not going to show it to you because I don't want anybody to try to claim my turtle before I do. So on the other, behind my fingers is a unique tracking number that you put into their website, and then it's logged into your account only with this specific turtle, and I love that. And then on the back, it just says, thank you, but look at the beautiful like beach scene. There, just the artwork is just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, and more gorgeous. Let's go ahead and dive in. Oh my gosh, those are I didn't even really check and see. Those are little sea otters. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm gonna just close this up a little bit so I don't see the next one. Closed. Okay, I don't see it anyway. So here is the very first, and it's a short sleeve shirt. Yay! I don't know if I'm gonna get short and long, but so far I have a short sleeve. The front looks like that with just the white turtle on the front, and then the back of it looks like that. That is so cute though, with the little sea otters. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Oh, and there's little hearts too. That is so freaking cute. Okay, so one down. Let's grab the next one. We have a white one. Okay, so this is a white tee. I don't even know if I own any white shirts. I think I might have got one of them in my Smartass and Sass. So I think I have one. I don't know if I have a hair in my eyeball. I don't know if I've ever worn it, but I don't recall ever wearing a white. So that's cool. I have a white shirt. Hopefully I don't get it dirty. And this one's long sleeve. Okay, that's cool. So this one is a long sleeve shirt. The back of it looks like that. That is so pretty with like the sunset. Oh my gosh, that is a gorgeous picture in there. That design, the artwork. And then, oh, I thought it was dirty. Nope, there's just a little fuzzy fuzz. I was gonna say, please don't be dirty already. That's why I don't wear white. I always wear black. I normally always wear black. But that is so cute. And then the front, there's another little string. And then the front is just the black. Is it black? Yeah. It kind of look green in the camera, but it is black in the front. That is so neat. So there's a long sleeve shirt. Now there's 3 shirts, right? Yep. So I have one more. Oh, and it's purple. It feels thick. I think it's a long sleeve. It is. So we have another long sleeve shirt. So I had 1 short sleeve and 2 long, but it could have been, again, it's a mystery. It could have all been 3 short sleeve. It could have been all 3 long sleeve. You never know. But that is so cool that I got both. So here is the purple long sleeve. And it says, rise with the tide. Shelly Cove. How cute. Rise with the tide. And look at that turtle. And then this one is a little different on the front. It says Shelly Cove and it has like little starfish on it. Normally it's just like the outline of the turtle on the front. So this one is definitely different than any of my other ones. That is super cute. I love the little starfish. I love that design. They just have the cutest designs, and you can buy any of their items individually on their website. I just felt like the mystery would be a good way to be introduced and get some amazing products and, you know, have a better value. So I'm super, super excited about the 3 colors. Again, this was fall. It could have been any colors known to man, but holy moly, did they do an amazing job again. Okay, so now, Okay, so when you go to their website, so I'll show you right here what the picture looks like for the ultimate. This little guy is laying there. And a few weeks ago, I got an email. I think there's like 3 different designs of this, different turtle designs. And I almost went to their site and bought just one of them. But I was like, well, let me just wait and then see if, like, you know, I can get anything else or I see something else later. So I'm so glad I didn't just go and buy this guy, because look at how freaking cute. Oh my gosh. And it says I'm recycled, but just look at how cute this is. There is a little bit of like beanies up in here, but nothing like up in here. It's just down in here in the belly. But that is so cute. So this is one of the accessories. Oh my gosh. Again, I never thought I would have received one of these as one of my accessories. Oh, but oh my gosh, look at how cute. Oh, I can't get over how cute this is. So here's one of the turtles. And again, you can purchase these even if you know somebody that loves turtles, or you have a granddaughter or a grandson or something like that and you wanted to get this for them for Christmas. You can go and just buy their turtles on their website, and then you will have a tracker to track a sea turtle. Wouldn't that be cute to give somebody a gift of a sea turtle and then they can track their own sea turtle? So again, you can definitely purchase these on their site, but I'm so glad that it was in this box. Like, oh my gosh, this totally made the whole entire mystery bag for me. It did. It just made the whole thing for me. I'm just telling you. Oh my gosh, now we have some socks. So the last time the accessories were like on the top. So now I feel like I'm pulling out, I don't want to look. I'm pulling out the accessories. So, and I think the picture showed like regular, like not regular, but like longer socks. So they probably have different styles and variations, but look how cute. Okay, so these are, let me show you. There's 3 of them in here. So you have this pair, you have this pair, and then you have this pair. Ooh, and I love that color right there. When I was actually taking the still shots, I noticed that inside here by like the heel, there's actually like a slip resistant piece that's inside of them so they won't slip. That is so neat. You have 3 like ankle no-show type socks. But again, any of this could be at random. So just saying, don't think you're going to get the same things that I get. So down inside of here is another accessory. So this will be 3. There'll be one more accessory inside here somewhere. Okay, so now we have a bracelet. Last time I think I got a little ring and a keychain. I think there was a straw. No, was there straws? No, it was a little loop, like a keychain. And I'm trying to remember what the other one is. I can't remember right now. But look at how cute. This has just like a little turtle. Simple little silver, like a metal type turtle. And then an adjustable band for the bracelet. It will definitely fit on my big old wrist. Let me close it up. So see? And so it's definitely adjustable. And that is so cute. Very dainty. And you could probably even wear it as an anklet as well if you wanted to. So you can use it multiple ways. So there's that. And then, okay, so now this is probably straws. It comes in this cute little bag, Shelly Cove. And then I'm kind of thinking I might have got straws the last time, but now I don't think so. I get straws a lot in subscription boxes, so it's probably where I'm thinking of straws. But oh wow, look at these colors. And this one's like an ombre. Look, that is so cool. I don't have any teal straws, so I will definitely keep these because look at how pretty these colors are. So it has one little cleaner and then the 3 different straws. One solid like teal, one an ombre teal, and then one like a pinkish lavender type of a color. That is so cool. I am definitely keeping those because now I have my favorite colors and straws. And then now we have the sweatshirt, and it is an actual hoodie because again, it could have been like the fleece or another one, but this is an actual hoodie, which that's awesome. And it's black. My last hoodie was like that mint color. So now I have a black one, and oh my gosh, look at how, look at how pretty the image is. Look at how cute. That is just screaming ocean with all of those barnacle shells, like the kelp, the seaweed, whatever. Everything in there is just like from in the ocean. And then the front, is it just the turtle? Yeah. So the front of it would just be the white turtle. You have the pocket. It has pockets. You have the hood. And the other one that I wore, I thought at first it was going to be a little too small, but it fits me perfectly. It is super soft and thick. Like it is a really nice sweatshirt. Even the shirts are so nice quality. They're super soft. They just feel good, and they're unisex sizes. So if you did want to know, if you did If you do want to know, they all come in unisex sizing for the mystery bags, extra small to 3XL, and then you always get the eco-friendly tote, and then whatever tier you get, depending on shirts, accessories, you know, that kind of thing, what you get inside. But the sizes for the clothing items are all unisex sizing, extra small to 3XL. Oh my gosh, you guys, another amazing mystery bag. Like I don't know how they do it, but I'm so glad that they do. This would be an amazing idea, even if you wanted to get as a gift idea for somebody for Christmas coming up. You know, grab it now while they have them in stock still before they sell out. And that would be an amazing gift. I cannot get over this cuteness. I can't get over this cuteness. And then the straws are amazing because they're perfect colors. The socks, and then the bracelet even is amazing. Like, I'm definitely going to wear that. The sweatshirt, the 2 long sleeve, and the 1 short sleeve, and the eco-friendly reusable tote. Oh my gosh, you guys. Yet again, Shelly Cove knocked it out of the park, 120,000%. Like, holy moly. You guys, comment down below. Did you see my last video? Did you think this one was better than last one? I think they are comparable, except I can't get over how cute the accessories are in this one versus last time. So I definitely am liking this one more with the accessories, but everything in here is just amazing. And they knocked it out of the park 100%. So again, whoever did my mystery bag, thank you so much. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. All right, you guys, again, this one was $134 and it has a $228 value. I am so happy with my purchase. I can't say that enough. I hope they do a winter one. Oh my gosh, that would be so cool to do, like, every season, get a new mystery bag, and then you're getting all new clothes, new things. Like, that is awesome, you guys. So there you have it. Let me know down below. Again, did you see my other video versus this one? Which one did you like better? Did you want to get one of these for yourself or a gift idea? What do you think of Shelly Cove? Let me know what you thought about what they did with my mystery bag this time. Oh my gosh, this is just amazing. So that is everything that I have for this particular video. Again, comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.